We are going camping!
Yay!
Aiden, where are we going?
To the park.
The park. We're going to Jellystone in Hurricane, Utah. And we have, well, our GPS says about a 4-hour drive. We're thinking it's going to be closer to 6 with going slow and potty breaks and morning rush hour traffic. So we're all packed up and we're going to go down there and have fun with cousins, huh? And Grandma and Grandpa and Auntie Jill and Uncle Ted. And we better do roll call. Aiden.
Yeah.
Liam.
Not here.
Liam.
Here.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Present.
Daddy. Here. Chewy.
Here.
All right, let's get going. We've made it to Scipio. How you doing back there, Aiden?
I'm doing good.
Good. How about you, Liam?
I'm good.
How about you, Chewy? You doing good, Choo-Choo? Amy went in to get some snacks, and then I'm going to go in too. But we topped off with gas, and we got 179 miles to go, so like 3 more hours-ish, give or take, which will put us right on time for check-in. Check-in's at 1, so. And we're just sitting back in the semi-parking now because it's a good spot to park and wait. One important thing on road trips, you have to pee your dog. Did he pee already? Ah, good puppers. Wow, fastest peer ever, Choo-Choo Bean. Other random sightings in Scipio is there is a peacock in the parking lot. Just wandering around. We've arrived. See, there's Yogi Bear. Do you see the Yogi Bear? He's right there. We're just in line now to talk to the ranger booth up here. We're still in line. Oh, we're moving.
We're moving.
Yeah.
I guess I can't blame my parents for being slow and asking all the questions. The people in front of us were, I think, slow. Is anybody in front?
You probably get a spiel.
Probably.
Yeah. So.
Welcome to Jellystone Park. Please keep your hands and arms inside the ride at all times. Oh, there's still one person in front of us. Blar.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy!
That's your parents. They went all the way through the park and are back. Could they not find it?
They have to a trailer just like us.
They do have a trailer just like us.
And they missed their...
They must have.
They got lost.
I got a pee-pee. I'm gonna drink some water.
I gotta pee. Drink some water. Why are you still filming us?
I don't know, because it's fun. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah.
And welcome to Jellystone Park. Have you been here before?
We have not.
All right. Well, let me see what I can do. These are your wristbands.
Okay.
Those do need to be worn in the water zone.
Okay.
They do get scanned. The beach have to lose them, so hang on to them. They do not need to be returned at the end of your stay either, so you can hang on to them. All right. We are currently sitting here.
Okay.
So just continue into the roundabout, which you'll see once you pull up. The water feature, go around it, take your second right out, and drive straight into the right. That is right. And come all the way down, and you're back into F6.
Okay. Awesome.
Alright.
Perfect.
You guys have a good time.
Thank you very much. All right, appreciate it.
Take care.
Bye.
Look at these bracelets.
Oh, those are cool.
Okay.
Okay.
The round
And
boot.
the second one. So, not that one. I don't think it's this one either. Is it? No. Does it say? I think it's this one.
Yeah.
I think. Right?
This way.
That way. Oh, F. Yeah, F right there.
Oh.
They're labeled. Let me come look real quick. We made it. We just got the trailer in place, all the jacks down, all the hookups in. Now we just gotta set up all the beds. And it is hotter than Satan's butthole. It is 99 degrees. Oh. We're all hiding in the dark trailer with the air conditioning on because it is hot as balls outside. I even have a fan up my shirt right now. It's like 102 outside. There's no shade in this campground. And the other bad thing is, it's nice and cool where I'm standing. In these beds though, the cool air doesn't go in there very well, so hence why I'm standing here. I think we're either gonna be inside or at the pool this whole trip. We're considering a trip to Walmart, which is just across the way, to get a big box fan to help circulate the air in here. We'll see.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Drinking. I was thirsty.
How was this, the water park?
It was fun.
I love your hair in the wind.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We decided, oh, that's bright. We decided to go to the pool. Well, Amy and the boys went, and they went with everybody else. Did I just push something? And I had a headache, so I stayed back. But it was too hot, and I'm like, you know what, water's gonna feel good, so I went too, and we just floated around the lazy river for quite a long time. We left Choo Choo here all by himself, huh? But you were a good boy, yeah. I think we're gonna have dinner now, and then they allow the campers, here, let's turn this way. There we go. They allow the campers to go back. They open up the park just for campers from 7:30 to 10, so yeah, it should be fun. Aiden!
Daddy.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
How you doing?
Doing pretty good.
Where is everybody?
They went on a thing.
Did they go on a side-by-side ride?
Yeah.
Yep, we're at Uncle Teddy and Auntie Jill's trailer. We had hamburgers, huh? And they took the side-by-side and went for a ride, but it's starting to get dark. See, look, the moon is out. Can you see the moon? It's kind of bright.
Dad.
The moon is right there. Yeah, buddy.
What time is it?
It is 9:15. It's late. It's almost bedtime for Dad. I think you're gonna go for a walk with Mom, though. Does that sound good?
That sounds good. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Dad. Dad. I want to say one more thing.
What do you want to say?
Have a good day.
You have a good day, too.
Mwah.
Mwah. Well, the day is over.
Yeah.
Did you guys have a good first day?
Yep. Pretty fun.
Long drive, hot weather, which was redeemed by an afternoon at the pool. And now it's actually cool in here.
The lazy river was.
And I went to Walmart and bought these 2 box fans to help, because the air conditioner, which works lovely, does not push into the beds areas. So we're using these to circulate the air.
And it has helped. That is way in my face.
All right, good night, Aiden.
Good night.
Good night, Liam.
Night.
Good night, Choo Choo.
It's cute.
Watch as the female undoes the biscuit container. It will pop in her face and cause anxiety. Good morning.
It's a beautiful morning. Look at those clouds. Amy's cooking some biscuits in her parents' toaster oven. Are we only going to be able to do 6 at a time? Maybe we should turn our oven on. We were hoping not to turn our oven on so it doesn't get, oh goodness, so it doesn't get hot in here. But good morning, children. Oh, my battery's dying.
Have you smiled?
Good morning. Hey,
Right there.
good morning.
Chocolate face.
Look. There, now you can see yourself.
You got chocolate on your face?
You see yourself? Yeah. Yeah.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through
Hello
me
there.
like a wildfire.
Hey.
Like a wildfire.
Aiden. What are you doing? Can you go for a ride today?